Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Messenger account. So, let's get started. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select the Settings and Privacy tab, then tap on Settings. You will reach the Settings and Privacy page. Here, select Meta Account Center. Next, tap on the Personal Details section. Select the Account Ownership and Control section. On this page, select Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account. Keep the Deactivate account option toggled on and tap Continue. Tap Continue again. Provide your account password and tap Continue. Choose the reason for deactivation and tap Continue. Tap on the 7 days of automatic reactivation button, toggle on Don't Reactivate Automatically, and tap Done. Tap the Continue button, and finally, tap on the Deactivate My Account button. Once your Facebook account is deactivated, your Messenger account will also be deactivated. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.